Hello, I'm in a 2012 Chevy Cruze, and today I'm going to show you to add coolant. So first, open the hood. Make sure the vehicle's turned off and cooled down. You don't want to work on the system while it's hot, just since this liquid can get to a boil, and it also works under pressure, so you don't want to risk having a bunch of poisonous coolant liquid spraying out all over you. But this is the coolant reservoir. This is the main area you would add to. And on the sides, you can see there's going to be a full mark. If you can see these arrows here, this is your full, and then your low would be below that. So you don't want it completely full to the top. There's supposed to be some air gap. And I double check your owner's manual or a good online source that you've got the best type of coolant for your make and model. And also generally you want to match the same color coolant and the same type of coolant that's already in here. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. When you're ready, just unscrew this cap, and then with the funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug, just fill as needed until you get to that full mark. And then screw this back on nice and tight. And at this point, I would probably turn the motor on, run it for a few minutes so you can circulate that new coolant. And then from there, just watch on the engine bay, the radiator under the vehicle, see if you see any liquid starting to puddle. If it is coolant, wait until that apart from water condensation, as it should have a slight coloration to it. It should smell slightly sweet. And you don't want it on your skin, but say you feel it with a glove, it'll feel slightly slick compared to water. But I hope all this is helpful. Hope you have a great day.